Fibonacci was known as Leonardo of Pisa or Leonardo Bonacci. He was born in Pisa, Italy, year 1170 and died between year 1240 to 1250. His parents was Guglielmo Bonacci and Alessandra Bonacci. What were his contributions? He was known for his contribution in number theory. He introduced Hindu-Arabic place-valued decimal system and the use of Arabic numerals into Europe. He developed the Fibonacci numbers and the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci's educational background. He studied mathematics in Bugia, Algeria. He was educated by the Moors and traveled widely in Barbary, Algeria. He was later sent on business trips to Egypt, Syria, Greece, Sicily, and Provence. Fibonacci's published works. Libe Abasi of year 1202, a book of calculations. It was among the first Western books to describe the Hindu-Arabic numeral system and to use symbols resembling modern Arabic numerals. Practica Geometria of year 1220, a compendium of techniques in surveying the measurement and partition of areas and volumes, and other topics in practical geometry. The Practica Geometria of Leonardo Fibonacci is an important treatise on the practice of geometry in the Latin language. Laws of year 1225, solutions to problems posed by Johannes of Palermo. Liber Quadratorum, the Book of Squares of the Diophantine equation dedicated to Emperor Frederick II. It has been passed down by a single 15th century manuscript, the so-called MSE 75 Sub of Biblioteca Abriusana of Milan, Italy. De Minor Gisa on Commercial Arithmetic. Commentary on Book X of Euclid's Elements. The Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with 1 or 0, followed by 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. The Fibonacci sequence is one of the most famous formulas in mathematics. Each number in the sequence is the sum of the two numbers that precede it. So the sequence goes 0 plus 1 equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, 8 plus 13 equals 21, 13 plus 21 equals 34, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence was invented by the Italian Leonardo Pisano Bigolio in year 1180 to 1250. The Fibonacci sequence was first discussed in Europe by Leonardo of Pisa or Fibonacci in the early 15th century. The sequence has produced a large amount of literature and has connections to many branches of mathematics. Observing the geometry of plants, flowers, or fruit, it is easy to recognize the presence of recurrent structures and forms. The Fibonacci sequence, for example, plays a vital role in phyllotaxis, which studies the arrangement of leaves, branches, flowers, or seeds in plants, with the main aim of highlighting the existence of regular patterns. We can easily find the numbers of the Fibonacci sequence in the spiral formed by individual flowers in the composite inflorescence of daisies, sunflowers, cauliflowers, and broccoli.